Looking to take control of your finances in 2025? Today we are comparing Copilot and Monarch Money, two of the most popular budgeting apps out there. Stick around as we break down features, pricing, pros, cons, and help you decide which one is best for you. Overview. Both Copilot and Monarch Money are premium budgeting apps that link your accounts, track spending, and help you set financial goals. But they take different approaches. Copilot leans into automation and visuals, while Monarch focuses on long term planning and collaboration. Features comparison. Now let's talk about features, starting with Copilot. Clean, colorful visuals with intuitive charts, AI-powered transaction categorization, real-time syncing with your bank and investment accounts, strong focus on cash flow tracking. Perfect for users who want a polished, automated experience. Now, Monarch Money. Budgeting and forecasting for months or years ahead, shared household access, ideal for couples or families, manual adjustments for greater control, net worth and goal tracking built in. Monarch shines for people who want to control planning and to involve others in their finances. User experience and customization. Copilot is fast, simple, and feels modern. It's great if you want to set it and forget it, but customization is limited. Monarch offers more flexibility. You can fine tune budgets, rename categories, and see a financial roadmap. Pricing. Copilot costs $95 per year or around $8 per month. Monarch is slightly more at $14.99 per month or $99.99 per year, but comes with a 7-day free trial. Pros and cons. Copilot Pros. Great user interface, fast setup, smart auto categorization. Copilot cons. No web access, iOS only, limited long-term planning. Monarch Pros. Long-term planning tools, web and mobile support, ideal for couples and families. Monarch cons. Slightly steeper learning curve, more expensive. Conclusion. So which is the best budgeting app in 2025? Choose Copilot if you want a sleek, automated daily money tracker. Go with Monarch Money if you want deeper planning, household sharing, and long-term financial visibility. Either way, you're winning by budgeting smart. And that's all for today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know down below in the comments which app you prefer. And see you in a new video.